This form is called intercept form or factored form. I like forms that I can do the least amount of work. So I'm taking each one of these parentheses called factors, and I'm setting it off to the side. I'm setting equal to 0 and solve. That's going to allow me to figure out what is the x-intercept. So when I add 4 to the other side, I have plus 4, 0 plus 4 is 4. Plus 2, x equals 2. So I make my lines, and I go 1, 2. Okay, that's one x-intercept. And then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple enough. We're good to go. There's 2 different ways to find the line of symmetry. Here's one. Put your fingers on the 2 dots that represent the x-intercepts, and at the same time move forward. And wherever your fingers meet, midway in between, that is a line of symmetry. So my fingers land on -3. But if we did not have integers as our x-intercepts, would be a little more difficult. So another way to do this is to add these up, so 2 plus 4, and then divide by 2, and we get the exact same answer of 3. Okay, so my line of symmetry is x equals 3. If I'm identifying the vertex, what is the x-coordinate? 3. How do we find out the y? We're going to take this, the y-coordinate of the vertex. I come up above, I have -1, 3 minus 4, and 3 minus 2. And we end up with an answer of 1. This is the vertex. This is on the board, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9. Some students may say, I think we can just graph like this. We can just go over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4. Whenever the number up front is anything other than a positive 1, we can't do that. We have to apply that -1. So each of these is going to be multiplied by a -1. And now I can graph. So this is my 0, 0. I'm going to go 1 to the right and 1 down. Oop, already got that point. I'm going to come back and go 2 to the right and 4 down. 1, 2, now 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back. 3 to the right and 9 down. 1, 2, 3. Count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do the same thing on the other side. And that is my parabola. That is my parabola. Let's talk about the domain and range of this. The domain for all parabolas is -infinity to positive. As long as there's no restrictions, which you don't have in place right now, we know that parabolas are going to move to the left and the right without any restrictions, and they're going to keep opening up, or in this case, opening down. The range, there's no limit how low this can go, but it can only go as high as what number? 1, and it's included. Okay, our last one